At SafetyQuip, we're often asked what the difference is between these two respirator kits. These are two of our most popular Half Face Respirator kits at SafetyQuip, particularly given that it's exactly the same respirator that's in both of these kits. So the respirator that's supplied in these two kits is the 3M 7500 series Half Face Respirator. That's a popular choice in Australia because the face piece itself is made of silicone. So it's very soft on the face and it achieves an excellent seal on the wearer's face. It tends to receive an excellent fit test result on many users. The other good thing about that respirator is it has an exhalation valve that we call a cool flow exhalation valve. So air that's being exited from inside the respirator, which tends to be humid or damp from the wearer's exhaled air, is directed down from the wearer rather than just straight out. Many of the other respirators on the market, the exhalation valve directs the air straight out, and some of that blows up in the wearer's face, so it can fog up safety glasses or goggles. Whereas this one is designed to reduce the fogging of eye protection, safety glasses and goggles. So what's the difference? The difference is the filters that are in the kits. So this one here, the 7551 A1P2 spraying respirator kit, that has a gas and vapour filter as well as a particulate filter. I'll just separate those. So this section here, this has activated carbon inside it, activated charcoal. So that's an A1 Organic Vapour filter in Australia. So that's designed to soak up gases or filter gases and vapours, such as from spray painting, from many of the paints, not 2-pack paint that contains isocyanate. We're supposed to say don't use it for that, but many of the other paints. It's often used for working with herbicides or pesticides or insecticides, often for working with solvents, thinners and printing chemicals, for fiberglassing applications. There's also the P2 particulate filter too. So that section there, that's the 5925 P2 filter. So that'll filter out particulates as well. So that's the first respirator kit. The second one is the 7535 particulate respirator kit. So as we said, the mask itself is exactly the same. It's just this filter that's different that's supplied in the kit. So that's the 6035 filter. So that's a P2, P3 filter. So that's designed to filter fine particles. So such as silica and asbestos. There's various other fine particles from grinding or welding or working with masonry products. There's a couple of those sets of filters inside that kit when it's supplied. But yeah, both of those kits are very popular on the Australian market. If you'd like assistance with working out what the most appropriate respirators are for your people at work, depending what sort of work they're doing, speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch. If you'd like a SafetyQuipper to come out to your workplace to help you work it out, we can bring one of our SafetyQuip mobile safety shop vans so that you can see the respirators and see the various choices available in Australia. We'd love to help. Speak with the crew at your local branch.